This fly was banned in the 1800s for being too successful. To start this pattern, we'll grab some black UTC, secure that to our hook shank, snipping the excess free. Continue wrapping to the back of the hook and grab a yellow goose feather. We will select about a 1/4 inch segment and measure it to be about half our hook shank in length. Fix our feather in place on the back of our hook and continue to secure it, wrapping forward towards the head of our fly. This will help us build up a nice uniform body. Snip the excess free and then grab some gold wire. We will secure this to our hook shank at the head of the fly and wrap it back towards the tail. We will then grab some silver tinsel, tie it into the back of our fly, and wrap forward towards the hook eye. Once complete, we will wrap our silver tinsel in closed spirals towards the head of the fly. We want to make sure that each wrap is slightly overlapping the last. Secure and snip the excess free. We will then begin to wrap our gold wire in open spirals towards the head of our fly, taking care to make sure that each wrap is evenly spaced. Secure by taking thread wraps both in front and behind and helicoptering the excess free. We will grab a black rooster cape. We'll select a single feather, stripping the excess free and tying it onto the head of our fly. Snip the excess stem free and begin to hackle our feather around the head of the fly. We'll take about 4 to 5 turns. Secure the excess and snip free. Brush your hackled feathers backwards and use your thread to wrap back on them slightly. This will give them a nice brush back look. We will then grab a peacock sword, select 2 sections of feathers and tie them onto the head of our fly. The length will roughly reach the end of the tail and we will secure it tightly in place. Snip the excess free and grab some more yellow goose feathers. We will tie these onto either side of our fly, securing tightly and snipping the excess free. Whip finish and paint some UV resin over the head of our fly. Once happy, we'll fix in place, and this is a variation of the Great Alexandra fly. If you'd like to win this fly, we're going to be giving away in our Discord community. The details will be in the description below. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.